Here's the dent. It's on the body line. You can see here a couple welding spots. This means that there is a brace all the way down here, so the dent is obstructed. We have to use a flat tool to get in there inside that brace and push the dent out. There's a couple options we can use. We can use these little plugs here. There's one way out there in the front. There's another one here. There is to remove, and we can go from there. That's the first option. Second option would be taking this off, and that's an access point right there. And the third option would be taking the panel, the window regulator, and the glass off. The glass is a double glass. As you can see, it's very fragile. And so here I am. This is gonna be the first try. This is a dent craft, about 20-inch long wheel tail. Gonna put in there. So I tried the first option, and from down the door, the first access point, and didn't really work. So I'm gonna move to the next one. Just gonna be taking this off and going from there. So the glue on this area, it's very hard glue to cut, and we have to use a flat tool to go in there and put a little bit of soap on the wheel tail, and that will slowly slide the wheel tail in there. So that's what I'm gonna try right now. The tool's coming in. It's like doing surgery. There is a spot of glue right here, so I'm gonna try to cut that, make it soft. That's what it looks like. For now, I'm gonna color sand. I use a toe cut, and it should be fine. This is where the dent was, right here. This was where the dent was, right here. Came out super nice.